In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manage name servers in the Siteground dashboard in just 5 minutes. Whether you're setting up a new website or updating server settings, managing your name servers is a crucial step that can seem daunting at first. Luckily with Siteground, it's straightforward and efficient. Let's walk through the process together so you'll have everything set up in no time. First things first, you'll need to navigate to Siteground's official website. You can easily access it by typing in the URL in your browser, or you might already have it bookmarked if you're a frequent user. Once you're there, the homepage should look familiar if you've visited before. If not, don't worry, it's easy to follow along. From the homepage, locate the login button. It's typically found in the upper right corner of the screen, waiting for you to click on it to proceed to your personal account area. Upon clicking login, you'll be prompted to enter your credentials. After successfully entering your details, you'll be directed to your personal Siteground account dashboard. This is where all the magic happens. From here, glance over to where your sites are listed under My Sites and click on it. This will take you to a more detailed section displaying all your domains and related settings. In the next step, you should notice a 3-dot icon next to your website's name. It's a small but important icon that when clicked reveals additional configuration settings. Go ahead and click on it. A drop-down menu will appear, giving you a broader glimpse of options you can tweak for your website. From the drop-down options, look for where it says Server Details. This will provide access to more technical information about your hosting server, a space where you can better manage how your online presence is distributed and recognized across the web. Select Server Details, and once inside, you should see an option labeled Nameservers. Clicking on Nameservers is the final step in accessing the information you need. This will display the name server addresses associated with your Siteground account. These addresses are critical since they direct internet traffic to your website and ensure it's connecting with the right server. If you're setting up a new domain or need to update your name server settings, this is the section where those changes should be made. And there you have it. In just a few simple steps, you've learned how to navigate your way through Siteground's dashboard to manage your name servers. Maintaining control over these settings is crucial for the smooth operation of your website, and now you're equipped to handle it confidently. If you ever need to revisit these steps, you know exactly where to go and what to do. Thanks for tuning in, and happy hosting.